still behind us?
I don't know. I think we're almost lost them. Okay.
I think they're gone, yeah.
Right here. All right, Spy Ninjas, right now Chad is battling the hackers right now, and me and Daniel are gonna figure out what is in here. This is the USB that I got from Project Zorgo during their secret meeting.
We don't know what's on there right now, but it's something really important.
All right, Daniel, let's get your phone out and see what's in here.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna open this up right here. You can see there's a USB.
Plug it in right there.
Okay.
Whoa, there's a
bunch of folders. Okay.
Which one do we click on?
That one has Chad's name on it. It says Chad Ninja Gadget.
Oh my gosh.
Let's click on that one.
All right.
Kind of looks like a map, sort of, maybe?
Are these locations to all the ninja gadgets that was taken from Chad? Well, we gotta get those back. If I'm following this map correctly, the first ninja gadget should be over here.
All right, Spy Ninjas, make sure you keep an eye out for us to see if you spot any Spy Ninja gadget.
We have a lot of room to explore. I don't know if we'll ever find it.
Yeah. What's this?
Ooh.
What's this right here?
Is that a ninja gadget?
What is it?
Looks broken, whatever it is.
Oh, it's a pipe.
Oh.
Oh, this doesn't look like a spy gadget or a ninja gadget at all.
No. So there's nothing in sight besides this sign. So
Yeah.
I think it's got to be in this location.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm standing directly on top of it.
Why do you say that?
Right, because look, there's a little green thing peeking out.
Oh, that could be it. That could be it.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe it's a dinosaur, a fossil.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh gosh.
It's a pickaxe. This is definitely one of Chad's ninja gadgets, you guys.
Oh.
Whoa. So do you think all of the ninja gadgets are buried?
That's gonna be hard to find.
Yeah.
Did you hear that noise?
What noise?
This entire time, I keep hearing this beeping noise. I don't know where it's coming from.
Oh gosh, it's so windy out here.
Yeah, it's so windy, but...
Where's that beep coming from?
Is it one of our phones? Oh shoot. Somebody's over there, V.
Zoom in real quick to see what that hacker has in his hand.
It's like a big stick thing. Yeah, that's what's making the beeping noise, V. What are those things called? I think it's
a metal detector.
It's like they're searching for the ninja gadgets before us.
Okay, all right, so how should we get that metal detector?
Well, we need to make that hacker drop that metal detector so we can have it.
I actually have this coin that I carry around. It's kind of like a lucky penny, but this is not a penny. It's like a silver peso.
Yeah, that's cool. So what's your plan with that?
Yeah, I think one of us should sneak this around like the path they're metal detecting. Then one of us can bury this and the other person can try and take the metal detector while they're trying to dig for this.
I want to bury it. Those like tire tracks over there is a great place to bury something.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay. You can see this? This is pretty deep. It'll take the hacker a long time to dig this out. All right. Put it right there. All right. Oh yeah, that's super deep. That's super deep. Pack it in there. So it takes them a long time to dig it out. Oh, they're coming.
Okay.
We gotta go.
Okay, let's go.
Is it beeping?
Oh, I see him.
They're so close. It's beeping, it's beeping. They put down the metal detector. Okay. While they're digging, you should go and take the metal detector. I'll film, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
All right, you guys, give this video a big thumbs up right now to give me good luck because I'm about to do something that's very dangerous and risky.
All right.
I'm gonna run around.
Okay. All right. Go, V, go, V. V's right there. The hacker's still trying to bury it. Oh. Yes, V, get it. Yes. Okay, easy, V, easy. I buried it really deep. This is perfect, it's working. Come on. Nice, you got it. Nice job, V, good job. All right. Did they find it yet?
Yeah, that person, he's still looking for it.
Oh, nice. Oh, wait. Looks like they found it.
Oh my god, he's jumping on my
Oh.
He's hovering.
Joke's on him. Oh,
You notice it's missing.
they don't know where the metal detector went.
Totally got it.
Okay. Oh, shoot. V, it's beeping. It's beeping right now. What the heck? Is there something buried under here?
There
Oh no,
must be.
the hacker's gonna hear it. Oh gosh. Oh no, they're coming. Go, go, go. Run. Go.
Go!
Ah. Go, V, go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, the hacker just fell.
Oh no!
They fell.
Okay, it's our chance to get ahead and hide. Let's go. Push.
Here's a nice bush to hide behind. Oh. The hacker lost us.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was lucky. He just having a trip.
You know, while we were back there, when it beeped,
Yeah?
I feel like there's a ninja gadget somewhere around there. So I think we should go back there and backtrack, because if this went off, that means there's a metal that they detected.
So we gotta make our way back there without the hacker. The hacker's onto us now, so we gotta be careful.
Where was that bush? I mean, all the bush just looks the same out here.
Yeah, I don't know.
I feel like we gotta find the tire tracks.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
that's where it was near.
All right, just be careful. The hacker could be anywhere now.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm trying to look at the tire tracks. Oh, I think it's right over here.
You see it?
Yeah. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
Tire tracks right here.
Okay, so I hit the penny there, and then we ran that way. Oh shoot! I think it's that bush right where the hacker is. I think the coast is clear.
Okay, all right.
So we can run for it.
Okay, where's the hacker now?
Let's see. Oh, they're all the way over there. I think we're good.
It's beeping.
Oh,
It's beeping.
nice.
It's right here.
Ooh.
Right here.
Okay, yeah, get that pickaxe.
All right.
Oh, V.
What?
Just be very careful. The hacker's right over there.
Is he coming over here?
No, nothing. You're good. Let's see what's underneath this pile.
Let's see. Got something.
You hitting something? Whoa!
Got a bunch of stuff. Come here.
Whoa! What are these? Are these these chads?
I don't know, but these are sheaths to swords.
Oh.
Okay, let's open it up right here. Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at this.
That thing's crazy looking.
It's okay. I think this is definitely one of Chad's ninja gadgets. I recognize one of these. I can't remember what it's called. If you guys know what this is, comment down below what this sword is called. There's two of them, you guys.
Oh, nice.
Okay, this one's, but it's a nice blue sword right here.
Wow, that's beautiful. All right. It's very important we pick up every weapon because I don't know what they're planning, but something huge.
Something.
The hacker's right back there.
Okay, gosh, we gotta be careful. Oh, it's beeping. It's beeping, you guys. Yeah.
We're getting close.
Oh, it's getting really loud here. Right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pickaxe.
Yeah. You start digging. What could it be, V? What could it be? Uh-oh, V. The hacker's right here.
Oh no.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
This is originally our weapon. You guys took it from us. Now we're just taking it back. So go away.
Yeah.
Go away.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Yeah. Get him, V. Get him. Yeah. That's right.
All right.
You scared him off.
Yeah. He's nothing without his ninja gadget.
Yeah.
I should say our gadget. All right, guys. We got a bunch of our weapons back. Let's go test it out to make sure that Project ZORGO didn't tamper with them or ruin them in any way. All right, guys. We just found a bunch of these weapons right here.
Getting our collection back.
It's kind of interesting because Chad is the weapons expert of our group and he's not here with us.
Can we do this, V?
I think we can do it. I think I've learned quite a few things from Chad. I think you have too.
I learned a little, yeah.
Yeah.
You've been with him longer than I have.
Yeah, I hope so. I would hope so. I will pick this one. This one just, kind of was speaking to me. Whoa!
Whoa, look at that.
Hey,
Gee.
it matches.
It does.
This one has a really sharp curve at the end here, but if you accidentally cut yourself, look.
Oh, geez. Oh.
No, yeah, it's not. This one.
Is it made for that?
Yeah, it's made for that. It's like, this is some kind of sword. I feel like Chad would know the exact name for this, but since he's not here, it's just gonna be a black and veg sword. That's what I'm gonna call it. All right, guys, we got our handy dandy stool back that looks very similar to our old one. On this pineapple, there's actually instructions on how to cut this pineapple.
Oh.
But that's like they're using a regular household knife.
Oh, boring.
Boring. I'm using this big sword right here, so I'm not gonna be following that instruction. I'm gonna do it the Spy Ninja way.
Exactly.
Count me down.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Wow!
Whoa!
You did it, you
I
did
did
it!
it! Look, I shaved off the whole entire pineapple. Ew!
Ew!
Oh.
Jeez!
Since there's still a big chunk of this pineapple left, I'm gonna try and chop it again some more.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa, look at that!
Yeah! Like,
Okay. Yeah, that's a very clean slice. These weapons work very well.
Oh yeah.
I guess the hackers weren't using them that much.
Yeah, they probably don't even know how to use them.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Okay, Daniel, it's your turn.
Really?
Yeah, really.
All right. We're here at a baseball field, right? This looks like a baseball field.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm gonna use this bow staff, and I'm gonna swing it. Oh, it's a huge. I'm gonna swing it like a baseball bat. And I'm gonna hit something.
Interesting. I don't think Chad and I ever use it like that, but
No?
I like your thinking.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm
very
gonna.
creative.
Okay, well these ends, as you can see here, there's a good grip in the middle, and then right here, not so much good grip. This is where you want to make contact with things with. So actually, I think it's a better idea if I hold it here, and then I'll swing it kind of like this.
Get a home run, Daniel.
I'll try.
Okay. All right, you ready, Daniel?
Okay, I'm ready. Yeah.
All right, let us get it.
Let us get it. I mean, it didn't really go far, but it exploded.
It exploded. That's the whole point, though, is destroying fruit. You did a great job, Daniel.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, I mean, it's much bigger than a baseball and much heavier, so.
Yeah, so that's why it didn't go as far?
Yeah, I didn't,
Oh,
yeah.
That's a very nice way of putting it. Thank you.
It's right here is the pickaxe. It
Yeah.
has a very sharp end, you know, for poking. And this is a flat end, you know, for digging, like we've been using it for.
Oh.
To dig up everything.
So we know the digging end worked. Now the poking end, that's what we're gonna test.
I think a soda would be a great poke.
Usually when we chop sodas, it's like a long sword. That's kind of short. You
Yeah,
know?
it is,
You're
it
gonna be
is.
standing very close to it.
Yeah.
You might get drenched.
Yeah.
Is that okay with you?
Obviously. I'm a tough Spy Ninja, Daniel.
Okay.
All right, Daniel, count me down.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, look at that.
This 1 point made this whole huge cut.
Dang, good job, V.
Look at me though!
I'm all dry. I'm 100% fine.
Oh man, I shouldn't have picked the soda. All right, Daniel, your turn.
Next up is this guy. I think it's this guy.
I don't think it's that guy.
Okay.
I already used that one.
It's this guy then. They look the same.
Ooh.
Look at that! It's kind of similar to the one you just used, except it's blue.
Yeah,
The
and
best color in the world.
Is that your favorite color?
Sure is. It looks like the hackers have been using this a lot. Look at all these little scuffs and stuff.
Oh yeah.
So this is one of their favorite weapons they stole from us.
Yeah.
All right, let's make sure it still works though. Make sure they didn't dull it down too much. I'm gonna test this out on a cantaloupe.
But the cantaloupe has a very hard exterior, so it needs a very sharp sword like that one to battle
Very
it.
strong man. Wish me luck, everyone. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Whoa! You did it!
I did it!
Whoa!
Oh.
You sound so surprised, Daniel.
I know, like it just went through like butter. I didn't even feel any resistance.
Yeah, because that thing must be really sharp.
Ooh, look how delicious.
Oh, you should try it.
No thanks. Okay, perfect. We know these things work now. We know the hackers didn't dull them down too much. So we gotta catch up with Chad. He's distracting the hackers right now.
Wait, Chad? Chad, we're here. Chad, we're here.
Oh yeah, he's there.
We're here, Chad.
Chad.
Do it. What's going on, guys?
We just found a bunch of ninja weapons.
Oh,
and
nice.
we've been testing them out for ninja.
We need ninja weapons. This is perfect.
We got a bunch back.
Yeah.
Nice. I just had this crazy chase scene on rollerblades. I took my blades off already, but there was a couple hackers chasing me on rollerblades.
Really?
Oh no! There's
What?
no one coming.
Oh my gosh! You're right! Oh! Run!
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much to use Qwaint and Jess. Whenever you post a brand new video, make sure to subscribe to me, Daniel, and Chad. Oh my gosh! Alright, make sure to check out this video right here too. Alright, kick butt.
Kick 'em!